toy.
Guys, today we are going to do an ice experiment.
With dry ice. We're going to use coins for it to skate.
Today we're gonna make the dancing coin, right? So we need first what we need?
It's coins.
Coins
And dry ice.
Dry ice. So we have dry ice here. We are going to put the dry ice on the plate.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Oh, it's moving!
So what we're gonna do? And we're gonna. Whoa! It's like a screaming sound. Maybe the cause it. I don't want to be dry ice. I don't want to be on the dry ice. Look at that! It's running, dancing coin. Go! Can I have another coin?
Okay.
You can cut it if you want. Just press it. Yeah.
It's not the ice. It's the icy.
It's okay.
Take off my glasses. Do we need to wash off the frost?
That's all. Just let it be. We have another one. Miranda, you want to try?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Maki, let's see.
Wow, they're dancing together.
Good job. Okay, that's all.
It's getting icy. It's snowing for the icy fest.
Wow, they frozen.
It's snowing on them.
Let mommy show in the camera.
They're frosty.
Oh, and one fell off.
That's okay, Mark. We can get another one.
Okay, let's try one more.
Okay. Okay, I love that sound.
No, but it's too wide on.
It's not quite dancing, huh? Okay, let's try this one. I like the sound like.
Me too.
Wow, it looks like it's jumping around.
Uh-huh.
It's frozen now.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put it in.
The coloring.
5 drops.
I love the color green.
Okay, Maki, that's enough.
Whoa, it's orange.
Yellow, orange.
3, 4, 5.
Actually, it's orange.
And now you're gonna dip some piece of dry ice. Maybe
Okay.
just 2 or 3 first.
Could I do 3?
I'm gonna do 2.
Whoa, 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 whoa! There she goes!
No, I'm putting 3. Zoom.
Careful.
Got it?
Ooh. Mark, that's enough for you, okay? I'm going to put it in a 3. Yikes! My goodness! Why is it
Bubbly.
It's not going like the last one.
But it's yours.
And then now we're gonna add the liquid or soap.
And then it's gonna blast.
We'll see. Alright, and then now we're gonna put one hummus baby soap.
Let's see what's going to happen. There we go. There we go. Now mix.
No, just let it be.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, Mom, it's working. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
I want to toss. Mass, my dry ice is yellow.
My dry ice is green.
What you doing, Mom?
You need a lot of energy.
Then mash.
We need a lot of energy for it.
Whoa!
We need
Look at
lots
that!
of
It's
energy.
come out.
It's okay for me.
Wow.
Whoa, Mikey. Look.
Max, we need more. We need lots of
Yeah,
energy.
you need a lot.
I do.
Is that whipped cream?
It's not. It's a soap.
Yikes.
Potions. Seesaw and squishy potion. Whoa. Mark, I think that's enough. Enough!
Boom.
Oh, I wish that I could have more, some more dry ice.
Oh, you want
Mine's
more?
out.
Me too.
Almost more. Ooh, ooh, I can get that.
Yeah. The more. Boom.
Vroom. Seesaws and squishies haircuts. I need haircut. So Masha, Shasha, Rocky, what you doing? You got luck? Ah, Seesaw's the first haircut. Seesaw has a long haircut.
Oh no! Here, he just must.
Oh, a big bubble! Puff.
Pop.
Whoa!
Yikes.
Yeah! It's Bubble Kingdom time! It's Season and Squishy had a... Oh man! Yikes! Season Squishy had to go in the bathtub. So much. Oh my goodies! It's not coloring!
Yeah, it's okay.
Well, we'll add some color.
Ooh, look at that.
Do we need to add color? A giant volcano! A giant volcano! Oh, look! It's Dopey! Oh, it's getting weird. Mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix. So this is what we're cooking. We're cooking dry ice noodles. We're not going to eat them. It's just clay.
Mom, I see some volcano.